Mr. Longarm's Twist-Lok is a light-duty aluminum extension pole, best for use with lightweight, standard threaded tools. An internal bidirectional locking device allows this pole to lock at any extended length. Twist either direction to lock and unlock the slider. This pole can be used for dusting, painting, staining, window cleaning, and much more. The Twist-Lok's anodized aluminum handle and slider provide a comfortable grip, smooth operation, and will never rust. Mr. Longarm's Twist-Lok is proudly made in the USA.